The Energy Information Administration reported that U.S. gasoline stockpiles unexpectedly fell for the second consecutive week by 874,000 barrels, while analysts expected a rise of 464,000. Last week, gasoline inventories dropped by 1.856 million barrels. This allowed oil prices to rise above $84 per barrel, thus taking into account growing optimism about China's economic recovery. The asset could easily overcome the mark of $85 per barrel in the near future. Brent crude oil futures gained upside momentum on the first day of the spring, adding about 1%. The volume of long positions is expected to increase further after the price consolidates above the level of 84.50. In this case, the benchmark will most likely hit for the 87 mark. However, if the quote fails to settle above the control level, it will probably turn negative. After gold rose just above $1,840 per troy ounce, it immediately pulled back down. This move coincides with the dollar's rally, which once again confirms an inverse correlation between the yellow metal and the US currency. Given inflation forecast in Europe, the dollar is likely to extend gains today. Thus, gold may well dive to $1,825 per troy ounce. Alternatively, if the quote stays firm above the 1,850 mark, the asset is expected to edge higher. Meanwhile, the Russian currency keeps drifting around 75 rubles per dollar, given that the Ministry of Finance has not yet commented on its further plans for foreign exchange interventions. Traders will have to focus solely on the central bank's monetary policy. However, the next meeting will take place only in 2 weeks. Nevertheless, forecasts regarding the regulators' further moves will appear in the near future. If the market sees the Bank of Russia lowering the key rate, the ruble will come under pressure. In this case, the dollar will hit towards the level of 77 rubles. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.